Okay, hi guys, it's me, Striking Studies. So today we'll be doing gravitation. This is gonna be part 1. So, what exactly is gravitation? Gravitation is the phenomena in which every object in the universe attracts every other object due to their masses. So you can attract your bottle, and that's called gravitation. But then that force is way too weak for us to actually notice it and be like, wow, we can attract objects. So now, gravitational force is different from gravitation. So, like, gravitation is the phenomena in which every object in the universe attracts every other object. So it's for every object. But gravitational force is like force of attraction between two objects due to their masses. Like, like you and a small little squirrel. Yeah, that's a random example, but that you both attract each other, but not actually because it's too weak to be actually considered. Now, the universal law of gravitation. So this law states that every object in the universe attracts every other object in the universe with a force that is both directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. So now mathematically, F, which is the force, is proportional to m1, the mass, the first object's mass, and m2, which is the second object's mass. And F is also proportional to 1 by d square, and d is going to be the distance between their centers. So if we combine both of these, we can say that F is proportional to m1 into m2 by d square. Therefore, we can say F is equal to g m1 m2 by d squared, where g is constant of proportionality and is called universal gravitation constant. Now, what is universal gravitation constant? It is the magnitude of the forces in Newton between a pair of 1 kg masses that are kept 1 meter apart. So, F is equal to g m1 m2 by d square, and g is going to be equal to f d square by m1 m2. Therefore, the SI unit of g is going to be equal to Newton meter square kg gram meter per second, kg gram per second square. Okay, so the characteristics of gravitational force are basically 6. It is a universal force of attraction, obviously. It acts along the line joining the centers of each mass. It acts equally on each mass. It is weaker if the masses are further apart, like Earth cannot attract Mars because it's too far away, but it can attract the moon because it's close enough. And it depends directly on the mass of each body involved. It is a long-range force. Now, the importance of Newton's laws of gravitation. So Newton's law, it did more than just give us headaches. It successfully explained several phenomena which were believed to be totally unconnected. So this law of gravitation is now explaining that gravitation is the force that binds us to Earth. It is the cause of the motion of the moon around the Earth. It is also the cause of the motion of the planets around the sun. The tides due to the moon and the sun's gravitations. Because people did not know what tides were caused for then, they did not have as much knowledge as we did now. So that's the end of part 1 since I wanted to keep it pretty short. We'll have a part 2, part 3. I don't know how many parts we'll have, but if you like this video, smash that like button in the face. Don't forget to comment down below how this video was. And if you want to keep watching and learning and getting best marks in your class, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.